Should I just go back to the old side?
Hi guys, welcome back to Two Girls One Call. We have a special guest with us today, Kashi Bansal, who is not visible right now, but we got her here for like spicy purposes. And yeah, let's just begin. Kashi, have you ever lied to get out of a date?
I have.
Example?
I told him I'm on my periods because I just didn't want to see him.
Okay, who?
The second
Was
one.
it in? Who's the
11th,
I don't know who this
11th grade.
Okay.
Wait,
Sister Shma.
what are these?
Mm.
Okay.
Wait, why?
I was just done, bro. I'm like, I don't want to fucking know.
Nice.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No, maybe I have. Spin the Bottle in Dean's Academy. I guess Sunny, I guess Deepika.
Oh my god.
I
Did you
just-
kiss someone in the bathroom? Like a girl, and she thought you
Oh.
were dating her.
That was a different day, but yeah.
Oh, God.
let's do-
I'm pretty sure she still thinks that they actually did.
Next question.
Bro, can you?
No guys.
But you don't?
Can't say the same about Kashi. Kashi dreams about us every night.
I agree. Definitely.
But where are the spicy questions?
No.
No.
Is mine considered?
No, I think. I don't know.
No, but that's
It
not
might
love
be.
angle. It's not a love.
Angle.
If you're in a love triangle, someone has to be gay, bro.
What?
That's how it works. It's like, you know what I mean?
No, I'm pretty sure love triangle is when like a guy is talking to two girls at the same time, or like.
That's
No,
a love
that's not.
angle.
That's not a rough triangle.
No,
It's
you know,
when-
like,
It's like person A likes B, B likes C, C likes A.
So someone has to be gay, bro.
Kashi.
Gosh.
Family. Oh god.
No, it's gosh. I think, I don't know.
Kashi's the goat, bro. Throat goat.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm
Okay.
sorry.
All of us guys.
We're all so like we're all bad.
I find myself attractive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
self-love. Bro, this is pissing me off.
This is not fun, guys. This is not fun. I want to tell stories.
Bro, I texted Siddhant to HMU.
Oh god. You know, someone in college, I was walking into the mess. This random guy from law comes up to me and asks me, "What's your name?" I say, "It's Kashi." And there's just like a long pause for 2 minutes because he probably expected me to say something back. And when I was leaving, he said, "Kash, we were together." And he left. Kash, we
Oh,
were together.
Nice one, bro.
Oh.
Did you
but
get?
this is, have you ever used one?
Oh,
Have you?
no. I don't
I don't
find
think
that.
girls use pickup lines. We don't need to.
I think it's very lame.
I don't think anyone does, bro.
Kashi has obviously.
Stop.
Wait, what do you mean? Wait, tell. Gosh, wait.
No, waiting for me to tell.
No, I don't have. Bro, I've never even like I don't even talk.
No,
To guys.
I'm asking you to tell it about me because I don't know
Oh.
which context you're talking about.
I mean like just leading guys on. Everyone does that.
But it wasn't for the intention to keep them interested.
Then why would you lead someone on?
I don't know.
Like, okay, Pranit.
Oh.
Mahek, Pranit. Even Sandeep.
No, I did not leave my icon.
Then why is he so obsessed with you?
He's obsessed with me.
Shit. Bitch, I can name 10 guys.
Okay, so
Next.
Damn.
Even Anirudh to some extent.
Only Gosh has been on day 2.
Bro, I think the A to B day with me and Kashi, that was like a duel.
oh god, it was so. I'll give a very basic summary of what it was. Okay, so I was supposed to meet Anirudh for the first time, and the previous day I talked to Sanvi about where we're going to meet because we both have the same spot, and I take Anirudh up there, and Sanvi is just there
Okay, I
in
think
the
that's
same place with the guy who I
we got caught.
yeah.
And you get like banned from A to B. Imagine getting banned.
We got banned from the building, not just A to B, the entire building.
We still went after that though.
I did.
And then the guy was like a fat guy, we used to call him Andrew Anna. That was
Why would you do that?
Faked feelings? No, I've never said I like you if I didn't mean it.
I don't even talk to guys.
Sure, Sanvi.
I don't.
No.
Hell no.
What was the smile?
I mean,
Sanvi?
Sanvi, it does kind of.
How?
Ooh,
Bro,
but she wasn't a friend. Was she a friend?
you guys were friends, right?
It's
I
a,
think I was after everything.
That bitch hated me and I hated her back. Kashi?
why? Sanvi, you tell.
Get a
Because you're the most
guest of honor.
experienced.
Guest of
What?
honor, Kashi.
I think anything that involves waist pulling or waist touching.
What? Oh, waste.
Sanvi,
What
answer.
would you, Sanvi?
Guys are into feet.
I mean, that's not true.
Wait, Kashi should have like farting.
I'm gonna leave the call now. Thanks for having me. I cannot be
what
doing
about
this
you,
anymore.
Arini? What about you, Arini?
I don't know.
What's your hypothetical turn on?
What do you think of me?
Girl, why do you want us to answer?
See, you know me best, okay?
Double suicide.
I think I honestly don't know. I cannot imagine Arini in a relationship to begin with.
When I started recording after like the first clip, okay, I'm gonna mention a few details that were in the previous recordings. So me and Kashi, we take our bra off when we go to sleep, but Arini does not. Arini, why don't you take your bra off? Arini,
See, I've heard people with like really big tits say that, oh, we wear a bra to sleep because it supports us, and if we remove it, it feels heavy.
actually, I have very big tits, and
I mean, do you agree to that?
no, it's actually so freeing. Like you just need.
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel better with one on. Leave me alone.
First bloomers, now this.
Move on.
But these questions are not fun.
Give the other stuff, Sanvi. What is it?
Oh, and then about the guy who texted you that he wanted to double suicide with you.
That came in the recording.
So that did.
No idea.
I'm not sure. Bro, this is pissing me off.
This is like so obvious. Like who doesn't?
Everyone does, bro. At some
What was the
point.
question?
Do you stalk your ex online?
Sanvi must know.
Kashvi, have you?
Ashvi, shut the fuck up. Bitch,
No,
you-
I have not had a one night stand. Why would you assume I have? Kashvi, have you? Fuck no, bitch.
Kashi, have you ever done it?
No.
Wait, what was that silence?
Wait, what? I thought Sanvi would know everything.
She does.
Wait, Kashi, when?
No, I have not.
Wait, we'll cover this afterwards.
Okay, what the fuck? I feel betrayed right now. Kashi, what the fuck?
Arre? I'll probably will this year, but
Why
whatever.
is it the same thing?
What did you just say?
Nothing. No one heard that.
No,
Bro,
can you just do something else?
There's no. I
Just
mean,
go to Cosmopolitan. Go to like a list and we'll read out the spicy ones. Girl, what the fuck?
what is this? See, if you go to this, you'll find shit like this.
Bro, just go to the top one. You'll see from starting. Ew, wait. Go to Pinterest, dude. Pinterest has like those amazing picture lists. Dude, is that guy for real not joining?
Tell him that's
Leave
not more
it.
important.
Oh, wow.
And are you not though?
I'm not. He doesn't even know what I look like.
Yeah, you removed your post. Why did you remove your post?
Bro, my post
Her
does not
face
have
wasn't
a
even
face.
like that.
Yeah, but still, that was so cutesy.
Did you call it cringe, bitch?
No, I scored it when you post. Okay, I'll not say who because she might see your video, but this one bitch who we all hate, she posted one photo of each year of her birthday for her 18th.
Who? Wait, give hint.
Arre, the fourth person in our so-called group that my mom is beefing with.
Oh, really? Why the fuck
Yeah.
did she see my video?
I'm not saying that. I'm saying what I called cringe, but you never know. She might see your video.
Wait, but she denied my request.
That's. I mean, I don't blame. Oh my god. With 1 minute.
Truth.
Where are you going? Are these all dares?
Girl, these are dares. Can we
It
please?
says
move?
two.
Arini, you had one job, bro.
Shut the fuck. You do it. Okay, let's look in.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done? Okay, Kashi, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done for a guy?
For a guy, I don't have to think. I spent all night making the cutest, most interactive card for him to say, "Oh, you didn't have to do this."
Sandy Sugar Boo?
Yeah, and it was our 1 year.
Wait, during lockdown.
No, in class.
Kashi, that one recording of like the sad music in the background and you apologizing to me.
Oh god.
Wait, what? Can you elaborate?
Can you play it, please?
I don't think I have that video and I don't want to show it publicly.
So on Discord, like they had a fight and it wasn't even her fault; it was his fault. She recorded herself and she added sad music in the background. She's like, "I'm sorry, Sandeep. I'm so sorry," and then there's just like emotional.
Wait, bro. Wait, what was the audio like?
Like I was literally just feeling like, oh my god, I'm so sad.
And
Sorry,
like,
I just need
like
to.
movie, you know, like serial and movies make you sad, or like the piano, sad piano.
Was it dire or like actually?
No, it was actually.
It was an actual thing that I did when I was like 12. It was so disgusting. Wanted to
Yeah.
kill myself.
What about you, Sandeep? What's the most embarrassing thing you've done for a guy?
Nothing. What have you?
I sent the meeting link to this guy and he didn't
That's
join.
not the most.
Stop. You don't even like him.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Kashi, shut the fuck up. Come here.
What? I am talking. I'm actively listening. I have work.
Okay.
What have you?
I have to draw something.
Okay, fine. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, oh yeah. Everyone describe their first crush. Don't name drop, but just describe how
Oh,
the experience was.
God. I get him in the balls.
Wait, who was Kashvi?
Shivansh? I don't know.
Ah, Shivansh. And it was in
Oh,
5th grade.
Wait, I didn't know this.
This was in 5th. I just liked it because it was.
We can't hear
What
you.
happened to the audio?
Can you not hear me?
Yeah,
Hello.
now we can.
So he was just nice to me and I understood what the meaning of crush is. So I'm like, oh my god, he doesn't look half bad. And I told one of my friends and she goes and tells him. And he's like, no way this is happening. So he didn't talk to me for the entire day to see how I would react. And the next day he comes to me like, I'm sorry, I just wanted to know if you were telling the truth or not. And I got pissed off. And we were playing Kings. Do you remember Kings the game?
Yeah.
And he said something like, she's not gonna win, she's a girl. And while like we had to like touch feet, no, for Kings. I don't know what to say. But we had to like touch the
Yeah,
Were you
whatever.
barefoot? Were you barefoot?
No, I was wearing shoes. So instead of touching his feet, I kicked his balls and he was on the floor for like 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
No,
What about you,
even
Sanvi?
even I kicked my first crush in the balls. So we were
Wait,
actually
10 on 10 experience, I highly recommend
I
it.
remember
The first grade crush.
not first, he's technically third grade crush. I did not like him in first grade, okay?
Okay.
Third grade. So he was standing behind me and we were like taking our notebooks for correction. And like I just did a donkey kick without noticing him behind and I kicked his balls. And then ma'am was like, Are you okay? Are you okay? And like I didn't understand why it was such a big deal. So you know, like I used to distribute the books because I was a teacher's pet and I used to kiss his balls.
What the fuck, Sanvi?
I was obsessed with
You know it.
That's insane.
Mine was in fourth. It was normal, bro. You know this. Don't even.
What?
it. Starts with N.
No, I
Nah.
never liked them.
I'm pretty sure you liked him already.
No, I know.
First letter.
What? You know this, bro.
Harvest.
Yeah.
It was N only.
I never liked that guy.
Stop
Normal.
lying.
From
No,
N.
the
Who's
NIR.
Nirvan?
Just name drop Nirvan.
Nirvan.
No,
Tyler,
never.
if you're watching this, tell Nirvan that I didn't like
Never in my life. No.
But I'm
I don't know why you guys like that, but it was from
I'm
S.
pretty sure
You know this. You know this. You literally know this.
I don't okay,
Literally.
name drop, name
I
drop.
told you.
Can you name drop?
No. My hardest friends would watch this.